Yeah, there you go. New windscreen. Fits like a glove. Works really well actually. So got these Velcro things. Put them on, and I can actually tie them up in here. As I was mentioning previously, and I put some Velcro, adhesive Velcro around there, and just wrap them around there like that, and then I can see out of that area down there, which is ideal. But no, it fits really well. I've managed to put the canvas roof I made on. This unit actually came with a proper plastic roof, but I find that they just bounce so much noise around. They're bloody deafening with those roofs on them. So this actually works quite well, and I can just roll it up and tie it up. But no, she works really well. Yeah, I'm impressed. Really good fittage actually. Really fits really well. Straightforward. So yeah, I'll send you the link, William, and yep, no, all went well. Rightio. Thanks. See ya. It's not raining, but she's a bit cold. We have had a wee bit of rain. That windscreen wiper's paying for itself already. I'm not even wet. It's great. That's a wee look at the country. Right, I'll carry on.